I'm Senior Constable Alistair Grant, Tactical Flight Officer with the New Zealand Police Air Support Unit. The police helicopter call sign Eagle supports law enforcement operations around the country 24/7, 365 days a year. In the helicopter we've got a crew of 3. It's a pilot, a front police officer and a rear police officer. The front police officer is responsible for operating the infrared camera, communicating with Police Northcoms and directing the ground staff. The guy in the back is responsible for operating the multi-mission radio and the onboard computer mapping system, which we use for navigation, and that happens to be a Panasonic Toughbook.
Panasonic Toughbook is designed to deal with shocks and spills and vibrations that your traditional consumer device would not be able to handle. So we get approached by military, construction people, people that go out on fishing boats and really want a device that is going to stand up to the harsh environments it's put under.
It's a horrible environment for electronics. There's G-forces involved in a lot of tight turning, there's a lot of vibration, sometimes the gear's exposed to the elements, be it the rain or the snow recently.
When we were approached by the police originally, they had tried a lot of consumer devices which had been destroyed by the harsh environments that the helicopters had put them under. So they came to Panasonic and asked whether the Panasonic Toughbook would be the right tool for their environment.
The Panasonic CF-30 Toughbooks have been excellent. They survive in that environment, which is horrible for computers. The Panasonic Toughbooks were the only ruggedised equipment we could find, and they were obviously met some sort of mil-spec standard, which gave us confidence that they were going to survive in our environment.
One of the main advantages of the Panasonic Toughbook is Panasonic actually manufacture and design all of the components in the Toughbook. This gives them huge amount of control with the manufacturing process and also the testing of the Toughbook before it actually reaches the end user.
We started out with the CF-29s a couple of years ago. They were great, they never failed. And we're now on the CF-30. The only reason that we changed is because we wanted the upgraded processing power for our mapping stuff, which goes through quite a bit of CPU power. We basically use the Toughbooks off the shelf. We've got some minor customisations to them. They've got a green filter over the screen for MVG compliance. They've got a Bluetooth USB which we attach to them, and they've also got the built-in USB as a backup. Around town we can generally navigate without the assistance of a GPS, but if we go out of town the Bluetooth GPS is really handy for letting us know where we're going to go, and we can operate anywhere in the country as if we're locals, and the Bluetooth that's built into the Toughbook is an excellent backup.
The initial investment of a Toughbook may be a little more than your traditional mobile device, but your return on investment and the total cost of ownership over the next 5 years would definitely pay off in the long run.
The computers on board are mission critical. They let us know where we want to go. If that falls over, basically there's little point in us getting off the ground because we don't know where we're going to go. We basically are available 24/7, so these computers never get turned off.
If it's mission critical, then Panasonic Toughbook is the device.